Hey guys, Victor Kayak here. Um, can I go fishing today? It's gonna rain. By the time you get ready, uh, to go out there and then come back, pick everything up, um, then rain's gonna come and you gotta hurry up and that's how you break things. Well, I decided to stay home and do some maintenance on my reels. Change lines to get ready for next weekend. Grease, oil on it, new leaders. I'm done with this one. I'm just gonna put the leader back, um, and see what happens. So I'm just gonna put the leader on this one. I'm doing maintenance right now on my 7.6 rods. I'm putting a 3/4 jig head, red jig head with a 20 pounds fluorocarbon leader, and just doing maintenance. When I'm done with this one, I'm gonna get the next one and see how that goes. So let me get a little bit closer. This one can't. This one do zoom. This is my nut. I don't know what you call it. My own Victor Kayak nut. I just go like this through the mano first. Take both through the mano first. Tie it up. Put it with your mouth a little bit. Then go to the braid and do the same thing and do a knot through the braid like that. Pull a knot, pull it, then take the leader and go over the line, and it's giving me a little simple knot right there, and then what I do, I hold both right here and pull it. Oops. If I can get the line, of course. Here we go. And you pull it and that's it. Get the scissors. Cut a little bit. I don't cut it. I don't cut it too close. I let a little bit of line right there, And put it back in the reel and go to the other one. I'll be back in a minute. And I'm back. I'm just gonna take this one off like that. Put it right here. Take a little bit of grease. Put a little bit. Let me go. A little bit like that. Open like this. And just put a little bit of grease right here in the bottom of the base. A little metal stick that goes up and down. It has a bearing right here, so I put a little bit on the bearing. And if you can see right here, a little bit on the bearing. And this one's done. And it goes out smooth. Open the lock. And when you do it like that, that means you have enough grease. Now, I'm gonna open the handle. This is a screw for the handle. So because I tie it a lot tight to the pliers, just loosen up a little bit. Go like this. And just get it off. Put it right here. Take it off. Get a rag. And put it right here on my leg. Put it right here on my leg. Get a bottle of oil, real oil, right there. That I bought in Academy. The H2O is the brand from Academy. It's like $3, I believe. Real oil right there. And just take the bearings, just put a little bit right there in the bearings, you know. One side. And then the other side. And I put the wrap because it's gonna come the oil from the other side. You know what I mean? Like that. A little bit more. Like that. And that's it. Put back the handle. Like that. Put back the screw. A little screw. Again. Like that. And I don't want grease going around, so I'm going to put the reel back. Here we go. Put the little, put the tap like that, close it, and just, you know, what I do is just I put it sideways so the oil will go to the bearings, then hit it again, put it to the side, so it will come down, and just like that. And I can see it's smooth. I can see it when it's smooth when the handle comes down by itself. Like that, see? And this one is doing too much, but here we go. Now I know it has oil already on the bearings. See? And that's it. Let's put it back in the rod. Like I said, I've been doing maintenance on my equipment. You know, changing light, updating lines, leader, jig heads. And I also am using, that I love, that I bought 2 cans. I've been using they call it the Real Magic. Increase casting distance, reduce line memory. Yeah, but you can use it for a lot of things. You know, that's the name of it. Real Magic, right there. And you can buy it anywhere. It's I believe I paid $80. I was gonna say, I don't think so. $8 on Walmart, and I bought 2 cans because I use them a lot. And this is the whole list that you can use it for. I don't know if you can see there, but anyway. The name again one more time is Real Magic. And I've been using this a lot. Every time I come back from fishing and I clean my rods, I rinse them down. Usually when it's raining and when I use the line a lot, after I rinse them out, I let it dry for a day. Then I come back inside and did what that I show you. Clean my reels, you know. Take them apart, put grease, oil in both bearings, like that and like that, you know, and put it back together again. Put that back together. This makes sense. This is easier because, you know, you just put it back in. And that's it. And that's it. We continue our project. And that's what I've been doing. Since I'm here at the house, putting new lines on the rods, leader, jig heads, hooks, and now maintenance on the reels, you know, grease and oil. And keep video coming because it's been raining. It's been raining bad, you know. So hopefully next weekend I can go out there and do some fishing. So just a quick update of what I'm doing right now. I'm stuck at the house. I'm doing some maintenance. So guys, like always, like, share, subscribe. Hey, and I will see you in the water. Thank you.